In this video, we will learn how to install MySQL Server on a Windows system. Go to mysql.com and scroll down to the download section. Click on MySQL Community Server. Click on the download button in front of the Windows MSI installer. On this page, you have the option to download either the web installer or the offline setup. In this video, we will use the offline installer. To initiate the download, scroll down and click on No thanks, just start my download. It may take a few minutes to complete the download, so I will resume the video when the download completes. Run the installer. Accept the license terms to proceed. Select the developer default installation type and click Next. The installer may show a warning that requirements of certain components are not met and those components may not be installed. We do not need these components and it is okay to ignore this warning. Click on Yes to proceed. Click on the Execute button. Wait for the installer to complete the installation process. It can take up to 2 minutes. Click on Next. Click on Next. We will proceed with the default settings and click on Next. Type a password for the root user. And click on Add User to create a user account. Type in a username and a password and leave the other settings as default. Click OK, click on Next, and proceed with the default settings. Click on Next, click on Execute, click on the Finish button, click on Next. Here you can enter the credentials for the user account you created or for the root user, and click on Check and then click on Next. Click on Execute. When the configuration completes, click on the Finish button. Click on Next and then click on Finish. To run MySQL Workbench, which is a tool to manage and configure MySQL Server, we will click on Start and then type MySQL Server Workbench. Click on the local instance and you can see the integrated environment for MySQL Workbench.